Alright, so what you're going to want to do is go to your web browser, go to BlueStacks. You can actually type this in Google's. Alright. Click on the link there, it says BlueStacks. That's the website. Hit download BlueStacks. Pick a saving location. It's going to start up. Now let's go ahead and check it out in the downloads folder. Now I speeded this up just to save some time. Because it's 400 and some megabytes. Alright, so she's finished. I'll go find it in my downloads folder. I'll double click it. Now, depending on your computer speed, this might take quite a while or could be quick. So I fast forwarded that a little bit. Magic of YouTube. Hit complete. Now, the first time you load this, it might take a little longer than average. Now I'm running 16 gigs of 2400 hertz RAM and a AMD A10. Now you pick your language, hit let's go. It's going to check your info. Sign in with your Google account, the same one as your telephone. Then hit next. Now enter your password. I'm going to block this because it actually shows the letters. Agree. Now it just synced it from my phone to my computer. Now you just go on Google Play like normal. Like you normally would on your phone. Now I'm just going to randomly pick something. I know Wish has a website, but it's just to show you that you can install the apps. And this will be synced the same way as it was on your phone. Click on open. Now just to show you an example that it works, I'm going to log into my account. And I'm going to go check out my order history, I guess, just to show you that it's synced exactly like my phone. So basically what you can do is you can use this app to access anything you want that you would install normally on an Android device. And it'll function as it should right on your computer. Even apps like, for example, calling apps even work. So what I'm going to do is go ahead here and show you what a calling app does on here. I just clicked on Wish real quick just to show you how it loads up after it's installed. Alright. So let's go with text now, just for example. Install. Hit open. And there you have it. Text now. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.